Yeah, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Farshun. So I'm one of the founder of Glamping in Singapore, Go Glamping SG. So we've been in business for 6.5 years in Singapore. We also have campsites in Malaysia, Desaru. So you guys can check it out, Rustika Glamping Village, Desaru, Johor Bahru. So yeah, we are also trying to venture into Indonesia. So right now, all opportunities are open. Indonesia, we see what's the opportunity there. We are trying to form the triangle of glamping companies within Singapore, Malaysia and Indonesia. So today I had my early dinner here at Pondok Abang at 1J Tuni Road. So it's quite a cozy place. Alhamdulillah, the food is nice, observe. Nasib baik dia punya tulang pun tak boleh makan. Kalau tak, tulang pun dah sebat.
So far, maybe you can share more. Kalau orang nak pergi glamping kan, what sort of activities they can do, what can ada makan juga tak kalau glamping?
Okay, so for those yang nak pergi glamping, there's a lot of things to do actually. So unlike macam hotel or whatever, glamping is something that you need to be adventurous. So for example, you do your own barbecue. Kalau tepi laut, you can do swimming or whatever. If at the farm, for example, we have a site in Desaru farm, you can do farm activities.
Boleh naik kuda lah?
Boleh, ada.
Oh, baik.
You can check it out. Ada ATV, ada horse riding. You can even go for stargazing. Because kalau dekat Desaru is not light pollution. InsyaAllah tak mahal. Dekat Malaysia semua okey.
Alhamdulillah, Malaysia boleh.
Malaysia boleh.
Alright. So again, lagi satu kali, kalau orang nak cari check out the glamping macam mana, pergi mana?
Okay, kalau those yang nak check out glamping, kalau kita punya site dekat Malaysia is called Rustika Glamping Village. You guys can check us out kat sana. We have website, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, apa-apa. So you just get the contact from there. Okay. And for Singapore, you just check it out at Go Glamping SG. Sama juga IG, Facebook, website, semua kita ada. TikTok dia tak jalan.
InsyaAllah nanti soon ada TikTok lah Pasal kita nak upload ni kat TikTok ni.
Boleh, tag aja.
Okay, Pak. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.